In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a ruler in Canva, whether you're designing a presentation, poster, or social media graphic. A ruler can be incredibly helpful in ensuring precision and alignment in your work. Today, I'll guide you through this easy process step by step and ensure you have all the tips and tricks necessary to make your design process smoother and more efficient in the end. First, you'll need to open up your Canva account and go into the design you're working on. It's important to know that the ruler feature is available on desktop versions of Canva, so be sure you're not on a mobile device for this. Once you've got your design open, you're ready to begin. Head over to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see the File button. This is your first click. Tapping on File will open a drop-down menu that showcases a variety of options and settings you can tweak. Next, from the drop-down, look for an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to a new set of options specifically related to the display of your design workspace. It's a place where you can toggle different design features on and off. Now, you might notice a few things here, but what we're specifically interested in is the Show Rulers and Guides option. This is usually accompanied by a checkbox. Once you've located Show Rulers and Guides, click the box next to it. Now, if you look back at your design canvas, you should see that rulers have appeared along the top and left edges. These rulers will help you align objects, create symmetry, and maintain consistent spacing throughout your design. They work similarly to the rulers you might use in physical design tools, allowing for both precision and a professional-looking layout. You can measure spacing visually or count the units on the rulers to make sure everything is perfectly aligned. A quick tip. If you're having trouble spotting a ruler or if it doesn't appear, try refreshing your Canvas window or ensure that Canva has been updated to its latest version, as there might be interface changes that haven't synced yet. You can also use these rulers to add guides, further aiding in consistent, accurate design placements. To make the best use of these newly added rulers, simply click and drag from the ruler to create a guide that will help you line up elements precisely where you need them. These guides can be moved around easily, helping you adapt as your design evolves. Another tip, combining multiple guides can help you create a grid layout for more complex projects like presentations or social media carousels. This ensures uniform spacing and alignment across all pages. You can even snap elements to these guides to maintain perfect symmetry without manually measuring. And anytime you need to remove the rulers, you can just uncheck the box in the settings again. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add and use a ruler in Canva. This simple tool can make a world of difference in your design process, ensuring everything lines up neatly, looks professional, and is well organized. By using rulers consistently, you can save time and produce designs that are polished and visually appealing every single time. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.